All right, so I have something really important to share with you guys, and I think you're really gonna love this. The best part, however, is that it's absolutely free. So in today's video, I'm gonna be exploring this website that I found that is probably gonna change the direction of your Shopify journey in a positive way. So that's always a great thing. Now it's called 1-800-D2C, and D2C meaning like direct to consumer. It's kind of a play on words. It's a really cool resource for free that basically compiles a whole bunch of brands, tools that you can use, and it's basically just your go-to place to find new ideas, which is kind of funny because I was planning on building something exactly like this for Netsphere, but these guys obviously beat me to it. But I don't know, I still think I might build it just for fun. Somebody in the Netsphere Discord shared this, which by the way, you can join in the description. It's a really cool community, and a lot of people really freaked out about it because it's just such a valuable asset. So let's take a look at some of these brands, for example, that they're sharing here, so we can visit this website. And this is also beautifully designed, by the way, so like it's interesting to see just how good these guys are at branding. Whoever's behind this is just cool. So this brand, okay, so this one doesn't work. I guess that was a terrible example. Maybe I should build my own version of this. But this was another brand that I found through this. It's called Real, and as you can see, they are popping off. So they're starting to climb in terms of traffic every single month. Super cool stuff. And they sell premium toilet paper. So nothing too crazy, but it's a very clean brand, just very well done overall. And these are some of the things that you can find on this website. Here it shows you a bunch of the different tools that you can use. So Yotpo, Recharge, Attentive. So if you're starting a subscription store, boom, you use Recharge. If you are trying to scale up your customer service, you use Zendesk. All these sorts of really cool things. Shogun, Rebuy, Okendo for reviews, Afterpay for payment installments. So it literally shows you everything that you may possibly need in one database and platform. So this is super cool. Again, I'm not affiliated with these guys at all, but I just thought it was such a cool idea that I had to show it to you. Liquid Death, we actually talked about Liquid Death in a video recently, so it's cool that they're talking about it as well. They're using Attentive for their SMS. So here again, SMS is one thing that a lot of people don't take advantage of, but it's extremely powerful, and Attentive is a really great way to utilize SMS and build an SMS list for your customers. So we can actually take a look at the app from here and see that they are popping off. So this app is doing really well, which is another thing that I kind of want to start doing. I really want to review apps as well on the channel, because here's the thing, guys, like when it comes to business, you can apply everything that you learn through Shopify dropshipping to any business out there. So that's why I love it personally, because it's just a really great way to learn some digital skills, and eventually you could start building apps. For example, maybe you already have that sort of knowledge and you could start building an app like this. This is so clean. I mean, I wish I was a part of this app, right? I just wanted to share this resource. I didn't want to just keep it to myself and keep it within the Netsphere community. I figured I might as well share it on YouTube as well and have it reach some more people. I think it's super cool and a great idea. Let me see this one real quick. This brand here, April, that looks kind of cool. So another vitamin brand, super cleanly branded. You don't see all white brands too often, so I actually kind of appreciate that. So yeah, you can find the link to this tool in the description. The last thing I want to ask of you, since you're already watching this video, is to start your Shopify store with my link. Now, I'm not trying to trick you into anything here. I told you guys that the deal last week, I didn't know how long it was going to last. That deal is over now. So if you click my link, you're not going to be able to get that deal. But here's the thing, I've been talking to Shopify, and as you guys probably know, they're doing collaborations with a lot of different e-commerce guys on YouTube. So it's kind of competitive. And the more signups that we can get through my channel, the more relationships I'm going to be able to build within Shopify. So I really need your help if I'm going to achieve some of the goals that I want. So if you're already thinking of starting a business, obviously Shopify is the best place to do that. And if you were already going to make a Shopify store, you may as well use my link to do it. It would really help me out a lot. I do get paid for it, but again, you don't have to pay anything extra to do it. It's just a really good way to help me out. So that's why I mention it. But I'm not trying to trick you into buying anything just so that I can pitch you my affiliate link. I'm just being honest. I really want to climb the ranks within Shopify, and this is really the only way to do it, by showing them that we can get a lot of signups through my channel. But that's it for today. See you guys in the next video. Peace.